Bullish Bitcoin gold cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $69.50 and $131.28 by 2030. Market experts accept BTG could reach $54.05 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin gold market cost expectation for 2023 is $12.36. Bitcoin gold presentation. Bitcoin gold is a fork of the Pinnacle coin Bitcoin, made in 2017 to furnish a stage that arrangements with the versatility limits of the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin versatility issue focuses to the powerlessness of the Bitcoin organization to handle an enormous number of exchanges all the while, bringing about regular organization blockages and, thus, a climb in exchange expenses on the organization. This issue is ascribed to the restricted size and recurrence of the blocks on the blockchain network. On the Bitcoin organization, a typical block creation time is 10 minutes, with a block size of 1 megabyte, making a handling capacity of around 3.4 to 7 exchanges each second. While this was fine when Bitcoin was traded for pizzas and moved among moderately close and not many organizations of clients, it turned into a test as the crypto market traffic rose to many million exchanges. As a component of endeavors to make a more versatile organization, Bitcoin Gold was made to turn into an easy-to-use elective. As one of the principal forks of the Bitcoin network, Bitcoin Gold held the security and toughness of the Bitcoin chain, however, with further developed innovation for versatility and extension. The organization plans to give a coin the qualities and capacities of the Bitcoin yet without its shortcomings. Subsequently, it got rid of the Bitcoin hash power assets and set out open doors for decentralized finance and dApps to utilize the stage, an extravagance which was at first unthinkable on the Bitcoin network. What is Bitcoin Gold? Bitcoin Gold was established by Yin Hang and Qvanjeev Martin, the computerized resource expected to make a task with the capacities of the Bitcoin blockchain with new imaginative increments for outsider turn of events and decentralized application. One of its greatest longings is to change the Bitcoin mining process through the confirmation of work agreement calculation, which settles the adaptability challenges that limit the outstanding development of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin Gold is an open-source convention that gives a stage to designers to take part in the blockchain's turn of events and administration. The organization considers unhindered support a necessity for advancing expanded cooperation and decentralized applications. Bitcoin Gold is a cryptographic money with the principal qualities of the Bitcoin, yet rather than mine on modern ASIC mining equipment, which will in general make a couple of conspicuous and persuasive players because of the expense-escalated nature of the mining equipment. Bitcoin Gold is mined utilizing basic realistic handling units mining plans, making a level battleground for any intrigued person to partake in the organization. This makes genuine decentralization and autonomy. With this plan of Bitcoin Gold, it thought that mining prizes wouldn't be moved in that frame of mind of a couple of ASIC mining ranch proprietors. However, all things considered, tips would be spread across people all around the organization. Bitcoin Gold purposes the confirmation of work agreement calculation. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, it presents the equihash POW, making GPU mining conceivable. Coordinated efforts. As one of the primary Bitcoin forks to prepare for worldwide limitless blockchain extension and reception, the Bitcoin Gold organization has struck a few organizations. In spring of 2021, BTG cooperated with Fallen Network accomplices to foster lightweight cross-extensions to the Polkadot biological system and other Bitcoin-based networks. Inside a similar period, Shinify and Center Bullion cooperated with the BTG organization to open up exchanges for the BTG on the Coinify stage. In 2020, BTG collaborated with Latium, outsourcing work and recruit stage which pays in digital currencies, to give installment answers for projects made inside the Latium stage. Latium likewise joined the rundown of trades where the BTG coins could be exchanged. BTG has banded together with trades like Bitham, Binance, and Bybit among different trades. Bitcoin Gold current cost. Bitcoin Gold is at present worth $15.44 USD. BTG has moved 1.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,856,329. Bitcoin Gold is at present positioned 110 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $240,041,872 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin Gold to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2023. Bitcoin Gold, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The BTG cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $23.17. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $21.62 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. BTG is supposed to have a base worth of $18.53. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Bitcoin Gold BTG cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BTG will before long outperform $38.61. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the BTG's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BTG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $30.89 and a typical exchanging cost of $33.98. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $54.05 and BTG might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. BTG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $49.42 and a low of $46.33 in 2025. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Bitcoin Gold effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the BTG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BTG will be green in 2026. The BTG is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $69.50, with a base cost of $61.78 and a typical cost of $64.87. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BTG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $80.31 by 2027, with a base cost of $77.22 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BTG has a most extreme value worth of $84.94. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $95.75. In the event that BTG figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $100.39. Neglecting to assemble the help BTG needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $92.66. While BTG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $108.11 and a yearly cost close above $115.83 in 2029. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Gold will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $123.55 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $131.28, averaging out at $126.64. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2031. The digital